Hey everyone, today I will explain how to publish an Emergent AI app on the Google Play Store. First, you describe your app idea inside Emergent. Use the AI mobile agent and explain your idea in plain English. Describe what the app does, the target users, and the features you want. After the app is ready, enable mobile mode or use the mobile agent. This ensures the app layout works properly on Android devices. At this stage, Emergent allows you to build or download an APK or AAB file directly. However, this option requires a paid plan. If you want to generate the app build for free, there is an alternative method. To do this, go to median.co, copy the public URL of your Emergent AI app. Paste this URL into the Median website. Choose Android as the simulator platform. Then enter a name for your app and provide a valid email address. After that, click on Start Building My App. Once the app is finished building, click on the Download button. Then look for the APK file and click on Build. After that, a download button will appear. Click on it to download the APK file. Once you have the APK file, log in to the Google Play console. Create a new app, upload the APK file, and complete the store listing, content rating, and policy sections. Submit the app for review. After approval, your Emergent AI app will be available on the Play Store. Thanks for watching.